Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you come across this video. We are here again to do our normal Euro USD weekly forecast. So yeah, let's go get it. Based on our past week forecast, we projected that price will break this low. Price definitely took this low out, but price didn't react from the supply. We say that price will react and broke this low, but we traded along with what price showed us that last week before price mitigated this supply. This is a strong high for me. This is a strong high, and this is a range high, the high that created this low, because I was so wrong on I think on my past 2 weeks video. Yeah, I was forecasting on the wrong range. I was forecasting an internal high of this actual range. So price mitigated this supply, then took this low out, then starts pulling back again. So let's jump into the present week forecast that we are planning to, what we are projecting on this coming week. So let's do it. We are in one daily time frame now. So what I'm forecasting, projecting on this coming week, what I'm expecting from price to do this coming week is for price to do what I'm expecting price to react, give us a few good reaction on the extreme range, because this is the strong high now. This was the last high that took this low out, and this was the last low that price created here. So this is the last high of this range, actual range. So market is already pulling back to the extreme high of this range. So my expectation on this coming week on this daily time frame is this. My expectation this coming week on this daily time frame is this. Yeah. So yeah, this is my expectation this coming week on the daily time frame. So because why? Price have already mitigated this demand zone. Yeah, but I'm still heavily interested in the 50% discount, the 50% of the demand zone. So that's why I'm still projecting, I'm forecasting that the price might mitigate this demand zone before we start going, before we turn fully bullish. So this is my daily time frame forecast. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. We don't have to move to 4 hours for now, based on what price is showing us. Just let's move to 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, we have series of higher highs and higher lows, and this was the last high that created this low, and the last low that created this high. So this is the strong low. Yeah, I think. Yeah, this is the strong low. Yeah, this is a strong low that created this high. So what I'm expecting from price to do is for price to pull back to the discount price of this range, newly 1 hour range. Yeah, it's price to do something like this, mitigate, come here, then take this, do this, do this, do this, then continue this down movement. So this is what I'm expecting on 1 hour time frame. This supply, why the reason that I'm interested in this supply zone, this supply zone is a flip zone. Yeah, because we have this demand zone here. Price was supposed to react from it and break this up, but price just reacted from here a little bit, then start going down. And this was the last buy this was the last buy to sell candle that price created before it took this low on 1 hour time frame. So that's why I'm heavily interested on this supply zone. So what I'm expecting from price, if price reach this supply zone, is price to react from it. Then you go down to lower time frame and find your confirmation. You might wait for, it's the same thing. Some people call it MSU, some people call it change of character, yeah, choke. Some people call it Kwasimodu, QM. Me, I personally call it Kwasimodu low. That's QM low, QML. So that's when I'm looking for Kwasimodu that will take that start going low. So I call it QML low. So you might wait for your lower time frame confirmation here at this supply zone. Then once you see the price have taken this low out, then you wait for pullback, then project for higher RR. Just once you have entered any trade after price took this low out, just hold the trade till this low gets taken out. Yeah, till this low gets taken out, because this low will definitely be taken out once price have reached this supply zone. Yeah, so let's see how this market, what this price will give us this coming week. Let's see how it goes. I think we are still in a heavy news week. I think this coming week is going to be a heavy news week based on what is happening in the world. Banks falling, Silicon Valley, this one, this, that. So let's just react on what price is showing us. Don't just predict. It's either you react or you project on what prices we do. So react on what price is showing you, react from what you get, and trade your style. Just focus on your pattern. And also what I found out this trade, because this past week was one of my worstest trading week. At my lowest and at my worstest trading week, I found new Confluence. Combination of trend line with SMC. That's the best source. Some people call it SR&D, or I don't know. I call it trend line. Combination of trend line, third bounce, and SMC. Even though that I'm still backtesting it to confirm if this thing is actually working perfectly, but what I'm seeing in what I saw this past week, man, this is gonna be a game changer for me on my trading, and it's gonna give me more confidence once I've spotted it out. Because the most important thing is to first of all mark if you are heavily wrong with your SMC directional bias, then if you maybe get a 10 bounce, this stuff gonna be still it's gonna be wrong on the directional bias. So the main thing is to perfect your SMC, then follow up on the trend line 10 bounce. But first of all, maybe in this coming week I might do some video about it. So let's see how it goes. So this is what I'm projecting on this coming week. So we might see something like this. Price might take this high, yeah, but we will definitely actually see a reaction from this. The person that saw a reaction that might took something like 50 pips from this here, what are you still waiting for if you have gotten 50 pips from this? Because I told you guys that we will definitely see a break and reverse from this. So you don't have to be greedy, unless once we see break of this low, once we see price break this low, then we might be waiting for the pullback. Once we see the pullback, then once you enter any trade here, then wait for it to take out this low before closing. If you're a swinger, but for scalper, just take what belongs to you, then run normal. So just do what you want and follow your trading style this coming week. Okay, I think we are done. Yeah. Don't forget, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click the subscription button, and don't forget to like this video and comment. Give me your feedback on the comment section, and you will see my Telegram channel link on the description. Click it and join us to see my trading. But I think I'm a little bit break from that Telegram channel because I'm focusing on myself to to master my strategy, to master my craft first. So I think we are done. Yeah, okay. Thank you guys for watching, and have a nice trading week. God bless you guys. Thank you.